Hello everyone. In the last tutorial, we are able to import the data from the XLSX file. I have not attached the CSV file because I am not able to load it in the resource section. So although I have given you the explanation how you can import the CSV file, hope you have practiced it. In this tutorial, we are going to understand about if you assume that you have the data which is on the cloud or any particular server, and if you want to load it in Power BI, how you can load it. So that we are going to understand in this tutorial. So now let us jump to the screen. Here in the Power BI, there is another different options are there. If you want to have one lake catalog and different SQL servers, and there are multiple options are there to load the data. Here we are going to load the data with the help of the SQL server. So you just click on the SQL server, it will ask for you the server and the database. And once you give the details, the data will be loaded. But here we are going to understand if your data is on the cloud, like any particular website, and if you want the data to be loaded at Power BI. So this I will give you the understanding. So I have Googled it and I directly go jump into the list of countries with their populations. So here the multiple details are there, tables are there. Yes, here how much populations are there against which country and percentage and when the counting has been done. So these are the different countries and their population is being shown over here. So this data we want to load it in the Power BI. You can load it any of the data, but for the sample being I am showing you how you can load it. So you have to copy the path, go to the Power BI. Under the get data table, you may have to click on the web. Web means what are the data you want to load it. Just paste the URL which we have copied, Control V, press the OK. Now it will take few minutes. It will connect the our data, our Power BI to their database. Once the connection has been established with Wikipedia, or wherever your data has been there, you can directly utilize their website and import it over here. Don't you think this is amazing? Yes, this is the amazing, and this is the beauty. From anywhere your data is there, you can directly import it in the Power BI to analyze it further. So let us wait for a few minutes because in the Wikipedia there are multiple tables are there. Although we are going to able to see only one table, but yes, there are multiple tables over there where they have organized the data. So we may have to wait for a few minutes. Yes, our data has been loaded now. You can see that as I was discussing, there are multiple tables are there. Ye- You can see if I click on the table 3, so yes, there were one table which is for the different references. Here you have to select the tables by trial and error where what tables will be suitable to you. Yes, so this table will be suitable for us where our population wise and the country wise the data is there. What is the details in the table 1? Yes, this is not relevant to us. In the table 2 also not relevant. Table 3, table 4, all the tables are not relevant to us. So we are directly skipping this and just click over here, select this table and load it. You can see that in the few minutes our data table of the population against the country will be loaded soon. Let us wait for a while. It will take few minutes because the data is being fetched from the global cloud. So it will establish the connection between them, and once this is done, the data will be loaded. So let us wait. We need to wait. Is evaluating. You can see that our table has been loaded. Here you see that different columns with their headings and the table. Let us verify whether the table is loaded properly or not. I am just selecting this table, and yes, our data has been loaded properly. Okay. So by this way, you can load the data with the help of the cloud. So try it. This may be very helpful when you want to analyze the data for a particular company. If the company has the data on the cloud servers or any server, and if you want to load it on the Power BI to analyze it, this is just you have to establish the connection. I hope you are clear. And if you are not understanding this, I request you to again check this tutorial and try to get it understand, so that in future when we are loading any kind of the data, you will not suffer any problem. So by end of this lecture, I will request you to select any of the particular table from the cloud, select copy the website and directly load the data in the Power BI, any of the data. Just for the trying purpose, I will request you to download, or without downloading, how to establish the connection between the particular website and to load the data in the Power BI. Practice it. Okay.